फेस पे ग्लो किसे पसंद नहीं है, राइट? सबको एक अच्छा सा ग्लोई फेस अच्छा लगता है। आजकल हम लोग लिप एंड चिक टिंट्स पे शिफ्ट हो चुके हैं फ्रॉम लिपस्टिक्स, क्योंकि लिपस्टिक्स डेली वेयर में हमें थोड़े से हैवी लगते हैं। उसी तरह से अगर आपको डेली में स्किन केयर प्लस मेकअप काइंड ऑफ एक प्रोडक्ट मिल जाए जिससे आपको एक ग्लो मिले, तो फिर क्या बात है, राइट? रिवील योर glowing and radiant skin instantly. Aqualogica brings to you Dew Drops. So these are first of its kind skincare product which provides instant healthy glow. It's suitable for all skin types. हमें ऑलरेडी ये प्रोडक्ट पता है, येलो वाला जो ग्लो रेंज का है, विच इज़ Aqualogica Glow Plus Juicy Dew Drops with papaya and vitamin C, which will brighten and hydrate your skin. So it gives you instant skin glow. सो ग्लो रेंज के साथ साथ अब एक्वालॉजिका की रेडियंस प्लस जो रेंज है उसमें जूसी ड्यू ड्रॉप्स अवेलेबल है, which is infused with watermelon and niacinamide, which will illuminate and hydrate your skin and gives you instant skin glow. Both have hyaluronic acid, which will hydrate your skin. So if you're still confused with what are these deep drops and कैसे यूज़ करना है इसको, तो मैं बताती हूँ। बहुत ही नॉन स्टिकी लाइट वेट टेक्सचर के ड्रॉप्स है जो बहुत इजीली एब्जॉर्ब हो जाते हैं। एंड दीज ड्रॉप्स कम्स विथ यूनिक वाटर लॉक टेक्नोलॉजी जो कि लॉक करता है मॉइस्चर को, जिससे स्किन हाइड्रेटेड एंड ग्लोइंग दिखती है। एंड इसके साथ साथ इसमें ब्लेंड ऑफ फ्रूट्स एंड एक्टिव्स है जिससे कि आपके स्किन को बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं। Now, how to use this for a maximum glow instantly? Add it as the last step of your entire routine, entire skincare routine. Take 2 to 3 drops on your face for a soft, radiant glow instantly. It's gonna give you that nice, subtle glow and not too much and very natural kind of. Secondly, you can add it in the moisturizer that you're using. You can also use it as illuminating primer before doing your makeup. And lastly, my favorite way, you can use it as a blush. So instead of just dabbing on your high points, you can use it as a blush. I like it that way because it kind of gives you both like blush and highlighter kind of effect. So yeah, that's my favorite way of using this. So these juicy drops comes in 2 variants as I have shown you. Aqualogica products are specially formulated for Indian skin and Indian climate. It is PETA approved, vegan and cruelty free and clean brand. That means it is free from nasties like parabens, sulfates and mineral oil. It is available on Nykaa and Amazon. Now with each of your purchase made through Aqualogica's website, you are helping someone in need to get access to clean drinking water. So as I have shown you, you can use it different ways. I have also used it on top of my makeup, just on my high points. So this is a versatile product. I especially love it to use it on daily basis because I know that the ingredients are so good that I don't have to worry at all, and it still gives me that needed glow. So you can choose whichever juicy dew drops you want. I will leave all the links in the description box as well as in the comment section with my code which you can use on their website to get extra discount. अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब with bell button. I will see you in my next video. Till that time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.